Hello students, welcome to the next session of Mathematics Chapter 1, Geometrical Constructions. Today we will continue with Practice Set 3. The next sum, in triangle FUN, length FU is 5 cm, length UN is 4.6 cm and angle U measures 110 degree. So UN we have taken as the base 4.6 cm, measure angle U is an obtuse angle 110 degree and UF is 5 cm. So first we will draw the base. .6 cm. Now with the protractor, we will measure obtuse angle equal to 110 degree. And now we will measure 5 cm on the scale. So this is F, U and M. This is 110 degree. Base is 4.6 cm and this side is 5 cm. And now we move on to the last sum of this exercise. In triangle PRS, length of RS is 5.5 cm. Length RP is 4.2 cm and measure angle R is 90 degree. So we take RS 5.5 cm as the base, measure angle R 90 degree and PR is 4.2 cm. So the base RS 5.5 cm, measure angle R, it's a right angle 90 degree. And PR is 4.2 cm. So P, R and S. This is 5.5 cm, 4.2 cm and angle R is a right angle. So with that we come to the end of the exercise. Let's move on to the next construction. To construct a triangle, given two angles and the included side, that is ASA construction. This means that two angles are given and the side in between those angles is given to us. Let us understand this construction with the help of an example. Construct triangle XYZ such that length of YX is equal to 6 cm. Measure angle ZXY is equal to 30 degree and measure angle XYZ is equal to 100 degree. So we take YX as the base measuring 6 cm Angle X 30 degree, it is an acute angle. Angle Y 100 degree, it is an obtuse angle. So we will first draw the base Yx 6 centimeter. This is Yx 6 centimeter. Now we will take angle Y 100 degree. And angle X measuring 30 degree. 10, 20, 30 degree. Now we will join these two. So this is Z, angle Y 100 degree and angle X measuring 30 degree. So angle, side, angle construction. This completes the construction. So now we begin with practice set 4. The first sum. In triangle SAT, length of AT is 6.4 centimeter. Measure angle A is 45 degree, which is an acute angle, and measure angle T is 105 degree, which is an obtuse angle. So first we will draw the base AT. This is the rough figure. Length of AT 6.4 centimeter, measure angle A 45 degree and measure angle T 105 degree. We'll proceed to the fair construction. AT 6.4 centimeter. AT 6.4 centimeter. Now measure angle A is 45 degree. And measure angle T is 105 degree. So 105 degree. We'll extend this ray a bit. So this angle measures 45 degree and this angle measures 105 degree. This is S. Next question. In triangle MNP, length of NP is 5.2 centimeter, measure angle N is 70 degree and measure angle P is 40 degree. So here we have the rough figure. NP 5.2 centimeter, measure angle N 70 degree, measure angle P 40 degree. Both are acute angles. So we'll draw the base first, 5.2 centimeter. NP 5.2 centimeter. Now we'll take angle N 70 degree. and angle P is 40 degree. Now we will join both these rays. So you have MN, P, angle N 70 degree and angle P equal to 40 degree. That completes this construction. With that, we come to the end of this session. Thank you. The remaining questions will be solved in the next video.